Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So let's start this video. Open Phantom Wallet. So currently Phantom Wallet don't have any option where you can easily withdraw your money to your bank transfer, but I will show you an alternative way through where you can withdraw all of your money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. For that you have to click on send once you are on the home page. Then over here you have to select the coin which you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw Solana. I will click on Solana. Now on the top you have to write down the deposit address or wallet address. So for this video I will select Binance Wallet. Just simply tap on Binance. So once you are on the home page, click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on deposit. Now search for Solana. Tap on Solana and then choose the network which is Solana. Now here is the deposit address of Solana. Copy this deposit address and come back into your Phantom Wallet. Paste the deposit address over here. As you can see, our deposit address is correct. Now just click on next, then write down the amount of Solana you want to withdraw to your bank account. After adding that amount, you have to click on next. Currently I don't have enough amounts in my Phantom Wallet, so if you have to click on next and then confirm your transaction. So after 1 or 2 minutes you will receive Solana in your Binance. So once you receive Solana in your Binance, you have to open your Binance app. Now click on your wallets on the bottom right and then click on withdraw. Now here again click on withdraw. Choose the coin which you want to withdraw. So obviously it is Solana, so we'll select Solana. Now here are two options, but there is an also third option available which is called send to bank account, but currently my country doesn't support any option which have bank transfer. So if you have that bank transfer option, you can choose that bank transfer option and you can easily transfer all of your Solana into your bank account. But if you don't have bank transfer, don't worry, I will show you another way through where you can easily transfer all of your Solana into your bank account. So once you receive Solana in your Binance, you have to click on trade first. Now once you are in the trade, click on convert option. So over here you have to convert Solana into USDT in order to transfer to your bank account. So in the from section select Solana and in the to section select USDT. Write down the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. So as you can see, I have written 5 Solana and it is showing that these are almost equal to 864 USDT. After that click on trade and your Solana will be converted into USDT. So once you have USDT in your Binance, you have to click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on withdraw. Then you have to click on P2P trading. Now just click on sale option over here because we want to sell USDT. So as you know, we have 824 USDT which is almost equal to 5 Solana. Now over here you have to select a good person who offers a good price. Also they are reliable. You can also select payment methods. There are all payment methods such as e-payment and bank transfer. So I will select bank transfer and then click on confirm. Now it will show me all the people who currently have bank transfer available in their Binance. So now just click on sale, enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that select your payment method. Now then you have to click on place order. So after that you have to give the bank details and after 10 or 20 minutes you can easily withdraw your money to your bank account. So this is how you withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.